In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics 4 tracking for your WooCommerce store. We'll walk through the full setup process from start to finish so you can track store activity properly and confirm that your data is coming through. This is especially useful if you want visibility into product views, cart actions, and checkout behavior inside Google Analytics. To begin, go to Google Analytics and either create an account or sign in to your existing one. Once you're inside, the next step is to create a GA4 property for your WooCommerce store. As you set this up, make sure you choose the correct website details so your property matches the store you want to track. After the property is created, look for your measurement ID. This is the identifier that connects your website to Google Analytics. You'll want to copy it or keep it somewhere easy to access because you'll need it again in just a moment when connecting your site. Next, open your WordPress dashboard. From there, install the Google Analytics and WooCommerce tracking plugin shown in the tutorial. Be sure you're selecting the same plugin demonstrated, since setup options can vary slightly from one plugin to another. Once the plugin has finished installing, activate it so its settings become available in your dashboard. Now it's time to connect everything. Depending on the plugin, you may be able to sign in with your Google account and authorize the connection automatically. If that option isn't available, or if you prefer manual setup, simply enter your measurement ID into the plugin settings. Either method should link your WooCommerce store to your GA4 property. Once the connection is in place, enable WooCommerce ecommerce tracking. This part is important because standard page tracking alone won't give you the full picture of store activity. E-commerce tracking allows Google Analytics to record actions like viewing products, adding items to the cart, and moving through checkout. After that, save your settings. Don't skip this because even a correct setup won't work if the changes aren't saved properly. With the setup complete, visit your website and browse through several products just like a normal shopper would. Then add a product to the cart and perform a test checkout. This helps generate the events needed to confirm that tracking is working as expected. Finally, return to Google Analytics and check real-time or debug view for incoming events. If everything is connected correctly, you should start seeing activity from your test session. If you don't see data immediately, give it a moment and make sure your plugin settings, measurement ID, and e-commerce tracking options were all configured correctly. That's it. You've successfully set up GA4 tracking for your WooCommerce store.